This is our recycle room, guys. Plastics, glass, and other stuff here, and cardboard here. And this is our refuge. So here we throw our garbage. Let's go. That is the George Washington Bridge just behind my building. So this is the building, guys, that I'm going to be leaving. And here's Mr. Jay-Z. Okay, guys, I'm at the back seat for the reason of this video. Jay has to cut the music or I'll get a copyright. So sunroof is fully open, Jay?
Yeah.
Alright, so you actually look like my driver, dude.
Huh?
No, I don't want it fully open. The sound will be too. Sorry, I'm troubling you. So Jay's been nice enough to pick me up. And where are we going, Jay? Coffee?
Yeah.
And we need to talk about the house and the dates. Jay's my realtor and also my driver today. You know, Jay, this is how I used to sit at the back in India with my driver. It's the first time I'm sitting in the back seat in the US with someone sitting in front driving. Man. Oh, so this is the Audi A6, guys, with a lot of space. Okay, I don't know if it can fit 3 people of my size because I'm 6 feet, pretty big in size, bulky. So I'm comfortable. I mean, I can stretch my legs and everything. The seat has been moved in front over here, so that's good. But otherwise, Jay, I think even with the seat back, it should be fine, right?
Yeah.
It should be okay. So Jay's in the cockpit. That's the cockpit view of the Audi A6 with the nice white grey interiors. Many of my subscribers have seen this car often, but I just want to make sure how comfortable it is for me to sit. I'm actually pretty chilled out here. The seats are designed ergonomically well to Jay, for the posture and everything.
Yeah.
I think, you know, it's got these gaps here in the door for, you know, if the seat is closer to me, it would be comfortable as well. Got some nice AC vents, and what is here, a charger? A 12-volt charger, USB, and then of course the door pockets and everything. There's Yuna's bottle over there, water bottle. So usually Yuna sits with a car seat or without?
Without.
Without, okay. Well, we're just about to reach, and it was nice for Jay to pick me up. Actually, Jay, I'm planning to walk back, so you don't have to drop me.
Okay.
Unless it's raining.
Yeah,
So we're gonna...
rain.
It's a nice Coca-Cola truck. We're gonna park here and go to our regular coffee shop. Actually, guys, this is just a video about the back seat of this car, but now we're gonna go discuss some important things.
Press the button and take the parking. Please take the parking ticket.
Please take the parking ticket.
The guidance.
So like I said, this is a free parking for a couple of hours, right, Jay?
3 hours.
3 hours free parking in this complex. If you stay beyond 3 hours, then of course the charges will start. So we've just parked here, and that's my building over there, the red one. So we're not very far from my building. And I'm just in casuals, and Jay is all formally dressed. You look so formal today, Jay.
Yeah, it's cool.
I'm not used to seeing you like this. And as always, you park badly. Why have you parked so badly, dude? You're on the lines. So guys, in the US, you need to be in these 2 lines if you're parking your car. But okay, Audi back seat gets a big thumbs up from me. It was so spacious, guys, and I always tell Jay, buy an SUV, and he's quite happy with the Audi A6 because I think the size is good, right?
No, I think I'm gonna get.
What are you buying next?
The Land Rover Defender.
Land Rover Defender, wow,
Indian car.
Indian car. I'm impressed. I love the Land Rover Defender. The only problem is that car keeps breaking down.
I know.
Okay, this is X4. This is the X4. I think Flying Beast in India has just bought this X4. Gaurav, one of India's biggest YouTubers, he's just bought a X4.
Oh.
In India, you know, it costs like $120,000.
US dollars?
Yeah,
Crazy.
it's so expensive. So this is where we are having coffee at Paris Baguette. And if you park here, you have to pay. So we park inside, which is free. So today, I'm going to buy J coffee.
Like, bro, when we got to Maryland, we lost that little.
Was that
plastic
expensive?
bag. It was like $10 for talking.
The accessories are expensive, man.
It's a little toy, so she can carry those American dolls. But now it doesn't have she just has just like a white metal bar. It looks like a weapon, like a Batman.
Jay?
See you later,
I'm
right?
going to walk back. See ya. Take care.
Take care.
Nice
Take care.
Jeep here, man. So guys, Jay is gone and I decided to walk back. I just felt like a nice walk after that coffee. The coffees are pretty filling actually. So I just felt it's better to walk, and it's like not even a mile from my house. So I'm going to enjoy a nice walk, and the weather's perfect. Just a light denim jacket is all you need. So let's see you on the road.
Maybe I can find an answer. Feelings growing inside. Delete my holding anger.
Everything is green again, guys. It's so nice to walk around. The grass is green. Everything is in the spring mode, all green. This used to all be full of snow and white. It's just great to have the green. When you cross the road, you have to press this button, and when that hand turns white, you can cross. Just made it in time. It was only about 10 seconds left when I passed. Taking a nice walk back home, and then we'll close the video. Oh, these blooms, guys, so awesome. Really nice. All pink.
Feelings growing inside. Delete my holding anger.
Just feel like walking all over the place because of the weather and because of the greenery. That's my building there. Not very far from home. This is a beautiful Fort Lee, which we will be missing, but moving to a much better city. I hope so. That's where I'm going. You've seen the house many times on my vlogs. Hey guys, just back home. Hope you enjoyed this casual walk kind of vlog on the way back. Just to summarize, I was very impressed with the Audi A6 backseat. First time for me sitting in Audi A6 backseat. For my height and my weight, it was a lot of space. I know 3 people will struggle to fit there, but maybe 1 child and 2 adults will be okay, or 3 smaller adults will be fine. Otherwise, I think 2 adults, anyways, a sedan, mostly 4 people in a sedan is what you need. So very good space. I could even like lie down over there, though I didn't try it, but very comfortable, and the ride at the back seat was awesome too. So 3 cheers for the Audi A6 comfort and space and everything for the back seat. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Take care. Bye.